Hello class, in this video I'll be doing another example of binomial probability. Let's begin. The probability that a male will be colorblind is 0.042. Find the probability that in a group of 53 men, no more than 5 are colorblind. Alright, so let's go and figure out the definitions for success and failure. And we have success as the man is colorblind. Failure is the man is not colorblind, and that probability is 0.958. So we want to find the probability that out of 53 men, no more than 5 are colorblind. So that's going to be 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 colorblind people out of 53. That is 5 or less. So we want to find the probability of 5 or less successes out of 53. Okay, so we can write that as the probability of x is less than or equal to 5. All right, so we know that this is going to equal the probability of x is equal to 0 plus the probability that x is equal to 1 plus, if we continue the pattern, the probability of x is equal to 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write out the expression for the first probability and the last probability, then use Decimus to get the answer. Here we go. So this is equal to 53, choose 0. Times the probability of success raised to the 0 power. Times the probability of failure raised to the 53 minus 0 power. And if I write out the expression for the last probability, that is going to be 53 choose 5 times the probability of success raised to the 5th power and I'm going to go ahead and create some room here. Times the probability of failure raised to the 53 minus 5 power. And I'm going to go ahead and clean this up a little bit. (53 minus 0 is 53. And 53 minus 5 is 48. And now I'm going to use Decimus to determine what this approximately equals. Here we go. So we're going to go into functions. We're going to go into binomial distribution. There are 53 trials, and the success is 0.042. And if you zoom out, notice that the dots extend all the way to 53 like they should. Now we want to find the cumulative probability from when x is equal to 0 until x is equal to 5. And notice all of the dots are empty except for the first 6. And that probability is 0.9767. This is approximately 0.9767. And this is the probability that no more than 5 are colorblind.